Slow progression. So if we're at 0, that'd be straight out. This whole thing is fully movable still. We can do whatever we want, but just seeing. The bars stick out far as shit. Probably should only got the 10-inch. Going for new bars. That'll be hooked up. This brake lines ain't long enough. Can't go high enough. Order new brake lines and come back to it.
See you in a week.
About to cut the windscreen, see how that goes. Got shorter bars, had the 12 inches, 10s are a lot better. From where they're gonna hit. That looks like it'll be perfect. Not oh well. LEDs are in for the brake light. Ran up under here. The whole thing will glow. It's nice. It's 3 wires. You buy the one from eBay, $15.99. Has a brake light, stop light, blinkers.
Time, people. Clickbait.
We're gonna do it and see what happens. Oh, the windscreen's cut. It's probably not the way you're supposed to do it, but I'll see how else. Let's mount these bars up and trim some of this, so that gotta be longer, but yeah, you get the gist of it. Final product for now. No. Reuse everything. Everything's still working. I recut the windscreen to be flatter, but for now it's fine. Coming out.